College pun fibro te yo don nap dang jong pi ki mempat yo jeng tip nam ta kini ki post ki balai hapo civil hospital nongston te ki don kumbalai te li ki post te kelas dir ro kala jan kare khat phra tarik te don nap dang jong pi ki mempat yo jeng tip kwa ban le apply te sape i ga video hodo ko bakut sape i jeng tip ki don kam hawe de bat kini ki post ki balai dengan pulih kerkum kene ke advertisement, the Office of the Medical Superintendent, Civil Hospital Nongstoin, hereby invite application for eligible and interested candidate for the polling post on contractual basis. Kini di contractual basis waj san khandai sngi dan sa renew under MHIS kom Perdana Menteri Jan Arogya Yojana PMJAY as per detail given below. Tekane ke peningkong kadai PMAM multitasking kawai ke post they wendap yaka class 12 10 plus 2 from a recognized institution preferably ki kam prefer bade lada ki don kine ki bada ya graduate lane paramedical lane GNM nursing ki kam pe ya kine bade lada mdon kin chimbe ki bade 10 plus 2 must be fluent in Khasi English and Hindi desirable fluent of communication skill and adequate functional computer literacy which shall include understanding of MS Office, Excel, PPT, he or she will be able to navigate through internet portals. Experience 1 year or more. Experience in the health sector will be preferable. And hakastur kipar bade. Kene bade la bade graduate, la bade paramedical, la bade GNM nursing any tu la ista semut ba any. Unu la bade na graduate ru la bade na ka paramedical la bade na po GNM nursing kila on apply. Dia long fluent bha khasi lane English but haga Hindi kini lightly desirable te kidon kam ha gi belong communication skill ka piang ma adequate functional computer nang bha ban tray computer kompi MS Office Excel ki PPT extra amta ban shnai kita knowledge of proper bookkeeping and inventory management familiarity with standard concept and best practice in a stockroom or warehouse environment competencies in data entry analysis and management, experience 1 year or more, experience in health sector will be preferable. Kipan experience belong system lane tam, te kipan ro egi ba don experience hapo ki health sector, ki kampe ikta gi don experience hapo ka health sector kin khana mai ga taga preferable. Then accountant bade kanir tanggowi kapus, haka storekeeper katulop rekhat arhajar, ka PMM multitasking reach 4,000 te hang ne accountant kade kade khatsan 1,000 kine bele kila pan strictly ba kinde bi BCom la ne MCom la ne MBA from a recognized institute way ni kita kino kila pan apply ni kini kila itali experience pan system 1 year or more or to accounting work excellent knowledge of accounting regulation and procedure including the general accepted accounting principle hands-on experience strong written and verbal communication and must be fluent in Khasi, English and Hindi. Strong interpersonal skill and ability to establish working relation with various teams. Willingness to travel for work purposes. Te kumgita ki la bu hang tu te phi ban thu la phi kwa ne man apply phi don em ka experience phi biang em kata ka jingkren Khasi, English but Hindi la phi su biang kita phi biang em ban tre komputer phi don em kata ka good communication skill la phi don gini phi don experience te phi la ban apply gini kawai la ne barok lai tli post ki la hang dai ki candidate ki bakwa ban apply nam ta kini ki post ki de ban leit hi shepo hospital ong ne application in plain paper la ne pokas nang ba standard form enclosed with copy of biodata attested copies of relevant certificate document of academic and professional qualification proof of date of birth SC/ST certificate, mark sheet, experience certificate if any lada pidon ma. Matam ong reba don kambej nomor lada amdon ki baron experience ru kin shimbej. Tetang bag jadi lada pidon experience kan kambah jusyu. Experience if any then ka signature and one passport size photograph. Gitu ki documents ki bade submit ada batail tang tu. Application will be received up to 5 PM hadut san baji haga khatpra tarik September Arjar Arpsau at the office of the Medical Superintendent Civil Hospital Nongstoin, West Khas Hill District. Pihak ban submit akan ke office of Medical Superintendent Civil Hospital Nongstoin, West Khas Hill District. Kontrak de wisan khandai singi bet kin sa renew bade san khandai teki ai break chisngi dan kisar renew biang san khandai sngi. After which a 1-year contract may be given depending on the performance of the incumbents. Taken sa page bede Lada ka biang ka performance nabi kilaban airu ya ka 1-year contract. Incomplete application application without supporting document will be summarily rejected. Te kumbala batha angte hakabanikong ki ai documents ki original kam deban penbiang Lada claim penbiang on sasha rejected baik. Tegi ko apply sele apply no kala state kare khat tarik. Tangkini higi jeng petip khlejubon.